Are we facing the end of reading and the rise of AI? Let's break it down. Reading rates among young people have plummeted. Only 17% of 13-year-olds read for fun daily in 2020, down from 35% in 1984. Why? Poor teaching methods, standardized testing focus, and the allure of social media. Meanwhile, AI threatens to replace human writing. Both trends stem from our desire to minimize effort in our busy lives. But here's the catch. Reading builds critical thinking, empathy, and work ethic. Writing develops complex thought. Losing these skills is an existential crisis. So, what can we do? 1. Limit superficial online reading. 2. Prioritize deep reading skills. 3. Create tech-free classes. 4. Teach annotation and note-taking. 5. Foster study groups. 6. Assign less, but go deeper. Remember, young people reflect their environment. By changing it, we can nurture these crucial skills. The future of education isn't about avoiding AI or lamenting lost reading habits. It's about adapting and emphasizing the irreplaceable value of human thought and expression.